Make sure your printer is turned. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi Direct password displayed on the printer's control panel or in its documentation. Download and install Epson iPrint app from your phone's App Store, Google Play Store for Android, App Store for iOS. Launch the Epson iPrint app on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions. Look for the Wi-Fi settings and turn on Wi-Fi. Wait for your mobile phone or iPhone to detect available Wi-Fi networks. Look for the network name starting with DirectXXHP. XX represents a unique combination of numbers and letters. Tap on the network name to connect to it. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi Direct password displayed on the printers. Follow the on-screen instructions.